We're out here at Roosevelt State Park and I'm getting ready to grill up some lunch on the pit barrel there. Got the fire getting hot and I'll show you what we're going to do. Just a real simple, nice lunch out here on the lake. I got a pack of chicken wings. And to get those seasoned up, we'll use the Pit Barrel brand all-purpose pit rub. Always good stuff on chicken. We've got some vegetables here, some squash and zucchini. I'll slice those up and we'll probably season that a little bit with the Pit Barrel rub as well. I plan on putting some barbecue sauce on them after they get cooked in. And there we got our Pit Barrel. I'm using Kingsford charcoal briquettes this time, and I also dropped in a couple chunks of pecan wood. That's what a lot of the smoke's from there. So once they get all burnt in and hot, that smoke will die down some and we'll have some good cooking for our chicken there. Some good stuff. We got those coals burned in nice and white now, so we're going to go ahead and get our meat ready and put it on the pit. While we got our chicken cooking, I'll go ahead and prep these vegetables here. I believe I'm going to do them just like that. Just do them in halves. Lay them down on the grill. So we'll just take our all-purpose rub and we'll just season these down as well. All right, let's give these things a check, and we're probably going to go ahead and stick our veggies on here too. Starting to get up there, but we need to definitely need to do a little more cooking. And I think what I'll do is go ahead and give them a flip. Just get them all flipped to the other side there. See if I got room for all the veggies on here. Don't know if I'm gonna have room for all of them. We will try though. Well, nothing left to do, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on there anyway, and let them start cooking. And I'll just flip them around a little as they get cooked in. I think our wings are going to be getting close to our finished temp here. Let's check them out. Oh yeah, they're definitely done. You want to hit at least 165. Juice is running out, so I'm going to go ahead and do the barbecue now. Just using some simple Kraft sweet and spicy. Just give them a little glaze of barbecue, and we'll let them simmer just a little bit to kind of get it thickened up. These are going to be excellent lunch eating right here. We'll give them a little flip. Put some on this side as well. Right, there we go. Just finishing out this last bit of barbecue here on the plate. All right, close the lid and just let her go for a couple minutes. I decided I wanted a little bit more barbecue sauce on there, because why not? Seasoned, smoked, cooked over charcoal, and barbecue sauce. By the way, our veggies are looking good.
Yay.
All right, a couple more minutes and we're gonna pull them. I'm gonna do a classic dad move here. Even though I'm not a dad. Oh, there we go. See, doing it wrong.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta make sure the tongs click at least a couple times.
Before you pull them off?
Oh yeah. All right, we're ready. It keeps falling down, the little latch. All right. They look good.
Yes, they do.
Like the barbecue pit guy says. You smell that? It smells good. I can't do it like him, but at least I tried. You gotta have a little fun while you're having barbecue, right? Look at that. Cooked. I want to say cooked perfectly, but I don't know if it's perfect, but damn sure it looks good. We already know that they're the temp, so they're at least 165. Look at that.
They're beautiful.
They look good. All right, and we got our vegetables here. I don't know how well these are going to be, but I bet you they'll be good. I put the pit barrel seasoning on them. They'll be good. That one looks good. All right, it's time to eat. Let's do it. All right, we've got our cold adult beverage. Let's go ahead and give one of our wings a try here. I'm gonna bring it over here to the little cutting board. Yep. They're still kind of hot, so let's go for it. All the juice coming out of there.
Yep.
Hard to beat. Flavor of the pit barrel.
Happy?
Very happy. Awesome. I love that seasoning of theirs, that all-purpose rub, and then the barbecue sauce. You've got the smoke flavor cooking there, the charcoal flavor. This is awesome. Let's try. I want to try one of the squashes right here. That's cooked perfectly right there. Got the seasoning on it. Man, this is what camping's all about right here, ain't it? This is good times. All right, well, we're gonna eat our lunch. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. See you later.